Welcome back to this channel. So today we are going to talk about how to use MetaTrader 5. So if you are a beginner and you don't have MetaTrader 5, you can head over to Google Play Store, then download MetaTrader 5. But for me, I have MetaTrader 5 on my mobile phone. Now, this is MetaTrader 5. As you can see, these ones are what we call instruments. Instruments that you can trade on are these ones. Now, the instruments we have AUR stroke USD, GPP stroke USD, USD stroke CHF. We have also USD stroke JPY. Remember, these are currency pairs that you can trade on. And also we have this one. This one is called a bid price. This one is called a bid price. And also this one is called ask price. This one is called ask price. On MetaTrader 5, if you are a starter or a beginner, we have quotes. Quotes. Now these quotes consist of instruments that you can trade on or currency pairs, and it also consists of bid prices and ask prices, as we have seen. Now, if you are a beginner, the best currency pairs that you can trade on MetaTrader 5 is we have this one, AUR stroke USD. You can also go with GPP stroke USD, and you can also go with this one, USD stroke JPY. If you are a beginner, you can trade on these currency pairs. Now on our MetaTrader 5, we have also charts. And these are charts here. For example, if you want to open a chart of AUR stroke USD, you can click here. Then we have new orders, charts, property, depth of market, market statistics, simple view mode. Then you can click here on charts. Now this is a chart of AUR stroke USD. As you can see, this is a live chart right now. So you can open a chart on MetaTrader 5. Then you can analyze charts, where the market is going, how the market is moving on this MetaTrader 5. You can click on this space to find more features. For example, let's click here. Once you've clicked here, you can click on this icon to open a new window on your screen. So let's click like this. Then click new window. As you can see, we have opened our two windows, the upper window and the down one. Now on this MetaTrader 5, you can click here again to find more features. So if you want to add 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, these are the places where you can click on. Now for example, if we want to see a 5-minute chart or a 15-minute chart, we can click here, and then MetaTrader 5 will show us what is happening within 15 minutes. Now, while you are on this MetaTrader 5, you can click on these currency pairs. This is GPP stroke USD, like here. Then we can read charts. We can come here and then click on charts, for example here. Now we have two windows on our MetaTrader 5. So if we want to add indicators on our MetaTrader 5, you can come here, then click up here. Once we have clicked here, it will ask us to add indicators. Now on indicators, you can click this F, something like F plus here. Now you can use Bollinger Bands, moving averages, parabolic, and other oscillators. For example, if we can choose average directional moment index. Now this bluish and greenish line that you are seeing are the indicators that we have added on our MetaTrader 5. Now if you want to remove the indicators, you can come back here. You can come back here again, then click on it. Then you can delete these indicators. So you click here and then you click on this box. Then you click on this delete icon like this. Then we have deleted that indicator. So when we come back to our main chart, there is no indicator here. Now let's come back to our quotes again. If you want to place a trade, for example on GBP/USD, you can click here. Then we have new orders. Then you can click on new order here. It will bring a stop loss. Now this is a stop loss. This one SL is a stop loss. And this one TP is a take profit. On take profit, you can use this plus icon to add those take profits, or to set your take profit in an easy way, or you can also use this one to set your stop loss very easily. You can either plus or minus. Now for example, if we want to set our stop loss, you can click here on positive, then you can come here and then click here on negative to add our stop loss and take profit. This one is our take profit and this one is our stop loss. Then you can either sell or buy. Now let's click on buy. Now let's come back here again to this green candles that you see represents that more people are selling on this MetaTrader 5. And these red candles, it represents that people are buying on this MetaTrader 5. So Moses, how do I buy? How do I know that I'm going to buy or I'm going to sell? Now there are different ways to determine whether when the sellers are pushing the buyers and the buyers are pushing the sellers. As you can see this candle, it is moving red, then it's moving again red and then green a little bit. It means that sellers are pushing buyers here. As you can see, it has moved to green. So the buyers are pushing sellers and sellers are now pushing back buyers. So sellers are dominating, as we can see here in this live market or in this live chart, as we can see. But earlier, within 1 to 5 seconds, now you can see the red candle happening a little bit, then green candle. It means that buyers are pushing sellers, and then yeah, like this. Then sellers are pushing buyers. So Moses, how can I determine to buy? We have indicators that you can use to determine whether you can buy or you can. Again, on this MetaTrader 5, you can click here, then it brings this icon and you can add these objects. For example, these are objects that can help you to draw on your MetaTrader 5. For example, we can click here, here, and we can draw our trend line here. Line here, Then we draw from here like this one to this place here. So this is our perfect trend line. But now if you want to draw a perfect trend line on MetaTrader 5, what you need to do is that you need to make sure it touches at least 3 points of a candlestick. For example, mine has not touched well, but let's try this one. Now let's delete this one first. Then we can draw our candlestick once more. Now click here. Then we can come here. Now here, then let's turn our trend line. Now at least to touch at least 3 ends of a candlestick. This one will show the correct trend line. Now again you can click here and then you can add indicators direct. For example, this one, you can add our indicator on our MetaTrader 5. Let's click here. Let's click here. We have main chart, as I told you earlier. Click here. Then you can add all types of indicators. We have volumes. You can add all kinds of indicators. We have MACD. We have relative vigor indicators and more indicators. Let's try to add Bollinger Bands here. Then we come back to our main chart. You see, this is a Bollinger Bands. This one shows the momentum of the market. So we have added Bollinger Band on our MetaTrader 5. Now let's talk about this icon. Let's clear off our indicator first. This one. Let's try to clear it off first before we continue. And let's try to minimize our window. We have minimized our window on MetaTrader 5. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to click this icon here. This icon, when you click on this icon, it will bring stop loss and take profit. This SL is stop loss and this TP is take profit. So you can click on take profit and it will bring you somewhere here. A default, it will bring you to 1.1650 and then click on stop loss. Stop loss will at least move higher, that is 1.6553. These are a default of stop loss and take profit. Now when you do a math between 1.16553 and 1.16501, it is about 50 PIPs. So you can enter a trade once you have set these stop losses. This is automatic stop losses or default stop losses of MetaTrader 5. So what you do here is that once you have set this stop loss, you can now execute. Now you can also adjust your take profit. You can move your take profit a little bit here to maybe 1.16515, and your stop loss, you can at least move a little bit here, so that we can just move with 30 pips. Then we can execute our sell. For example, it depends on your trading, and it depends on your analysis. Now, for example, again, this is our chart. This is our live chart here. The way you are seeing this, this is our live chart right now here, as you can see. So what we are going to do is that we want to buy right now to see if we will make a profit or not, because the charts are moving up, down, up, down. Let's try to let's try to sell. Let's sell. Now we have we have made our trade by selling and by setting these stop losses here. Now let's come to this feature called trade here. Let's click trade here. Also this history window. This history window has got profit, deposit, swap, commission, and balance. This one shows what has been happening on our MetaTrader 5. We have also orders. This is our orders: EUR/USD, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. These are our orders. Now we have also messages. You can register and you can get messages from MetaTrader 5. So if you have found some value on this video, please go on and subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.